The Singer ProFinish Serger has a full manual that comes with it in multiple languages, but if you have misplaced the manual, there are links below this video where you can print off or at least look online at all the reference pages that are here. So this is nice to actually find in the box, but there is a time where sometimes they don't print all the manuals, and so it is something that you will find online. But let's talk about the warranty of this particular machine. There was a handful of other items that came inside the manual. Number one, there is a list of Singer service centers in the United States. So I was noticing Heirloom Creations in South Dakota. That's our store. There we are listed as one of your service center locations. It's a good idea to register your machine. You can send this in, or you can go online and register as well. But what is the warranty for this particular machine? So you will find that it is and has a limited 25-year warranty on the machine. So that's anything that might have been made as a defect. They will take care of it. 2 years warranty on motors, lights, assembly, wiring and switches, speed control, and electronic components. So pretty much that does cover just some basic things that you're using the Serger for, plus a limited 90-day warranty on just some of those basic things that can wear out when you are using a Serger. So do keep in mind, and this is similar to sewing machine warranties, that as a Serger is used, just like a car, you have to take care of it. You should have it serviced on a regular basis. We say once a year for Sergers. I am going to do a video on how to take care of the cleaning and oiling that this machine requires just in between basic projects. It will last longer if you take the time to do it. But if you are sewing on something really thick and you're pushing on it and something breaks, that is something that's just normal wear and tear. So just keep in mind that the machine, you can't just expect it to go through everything you put underneath it. There is times where you will need to either change the needles or adjust the settings for a stitch to make it go through the fabric that you're working with. There's a lot of variables that play into part when you're sewing. So just make sure that you're not forcing something through the Serger if it's not wanting to take it. There could be a better option instead. Quality thread, you're going to hear me talk about this a lot. We'll put links below the videos as well as some great places to find quality thread. And you'll see me using different colors as we get started. So where you see the blue in the blue tension, you will find that you can easily tell which thread is doing which. So again, quality thread can make a difference on how this machine performs. So all that plays a part into your warranty work, as well as just basic servicing can make all the difference of making this Serger last through all the projects that you have planned for it.